Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present our paper. First one, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Eko Hari Ramawanto, and this one is first author is Kristiati Kasari, and second one is Indah Puspasari. The fourth one is Drosal Ignatius Moses Tiadi, and then next is Ellen Proborini, Bijanto, Rabiarat Ali, and Ivan Rizka. Our paper, our title is Papaya Fruit Type Classification using LBP feature, extraction, and knife-based classifier. This is our outline. The first one is our introduction. The second one is LBP feature. The third one is knife-based classification. And previous results, proposed method, result and accuracy comparison, conclusion, reference. The first one is introduction. Why we do the research in papaya and what is the outcomes. The first is papaya. What is a papaya? Each type has a different shape and texture of fruit and leaf. Where before the papaya fruitful in introduction, we will be easy through the form of leaves. Second is papaya types. When view from the several papaya leaf, such as Sumatra papaya leaf, California papaya leaf, Cibinong papaya leaf, etc., can be seen that leaf bones and morphological form as the main characteristic. So logically, the leaf texture feature can give better accuracy compared to the color feature. The third is why made a classification. The classification algorithm used training data to create a model. Then the last is pre-processing. Before the classification stage in the leaf image, the pre-processing and feature extraction are needed. Pre-processing can affect the effectiveness of the extraction process and computational time. Generally, the pre-processing process is resizing to reduce computational time, cropping, contrast, or lighting enhancement. This is our feature is LBP. In the previous classification research, which is need process differentiation, the method of extraction locally binary pattern, or we can call LBP, feature was quite widely used in 5 until 8. LBP can use to analyze texture that have simple operation that are efficient for devising a local image pattern when applied to the papaya leaf classification it can determine the leaf texture characteristic. LBP represent the relationship of each pixel and locate and the circle around the pixel by a binary pattern and use histogram of the pattern for the texture classification. Then the advantage of LBP is monoatomic grayscale change do not change. Computational complexity is low and easy multi-scale extension. The second algorithm is knife-based classifier. At the classification stage, one of the classifiers that are widely used in knife bias. And this is a knife bias concept, and then knife bias, the power of knife bias. The power of knife bias has strong independent assumption, and the model used in independent feature model. The conclusion is knife-based classification is the simple method using existing opportunities, whereas in assume that each variable is independent. This is a previous research from 2013. Hiba et al. Using knife-based to identify plant plan type using leaf image. In 2015, Padao and Maravilas using knife bias for classification of plant leaf based on the shape and texture of the feature using 340 image dataset. 2018, Partiningsih proposed a handwriting recognized method using LBP and contrast enhancement. And the last is 2019, Arasi et al. Comparing knife bias and decomposition tree for dermoscopy classification using 206 dataset include 119 malignant images and 87 benign images. This is our proposed method. The first one is image input, and then we do the pre-processing. After that, we do LBP feature extraction and split into two objects. The first one is data training and the second one is data testing. And then after that, use classification and then code the accuracy measurement. This is our proposed method. Next, we use sample image and pre-processing result. In the left sample image, we got Sumatra leaf, Hawaii leaf, and Cibinong leaf, and Bangkok, California leaf. For example, we got the pre-processing. We use Bangkok leaf papaya, the original leaf, convert into grayscale, and then after the grayscale, we use adjustment result, and then final result after resize. This is our training phase LBP feature extraction process. Number 1 until number 3, we use C1001.jpg using LBP feature each zone from zone 1 until 9. The classification, the class is Sumatra. Until 3 is Sumatra, etc. Then from 25 until 28, this is Hawaii class, and etc. You can read in the table. Then the result classification. For example, we plug in 14, with number 14, C3, actual class is Cibinong, but the prediction class is Bangkok. This is wrong. But another one is slightly same. For example, number 1, C1 underscore 026.jpg. Actual class is Sumatra. Then the prediction class is Sumatra. That is correct, etc. Okay, furthermore, the result of the feature extraction were conducted in training with the knife-based classification, whereas the classification data is performed, that the result of the classification are presented in the table on the left. Based on the result of the classification, it can be seen that the classification result obtain very high accuracy, which is 96%. Of the 25 testing images that have been tested, the error only in number 14, namely in the image with C3 underscore 029 JPEG, which is image of Cibinong papaya leaf, but the classified into Bangkok papaya leaf. This is the comparison accuracy. The blue one is accuracy LBP only, and then the orange one is accuracy LBP plus adjustment. Furthermore, this research also conducted comparison where the proposed method was compared with without using image adjustment process and changing into size of LBP area. The area of LBP used 33, 64, and 128. from the experimental result, it is proven that the area size of the 128 has the best quality, namely 92% without image adjustment and 96% with image adjustment. The image adjustment process also affects every area where without image adjustment. For area 32, it only get 80% accuracy, and in area 64 got the 88% accuracy. When the image adjustment is applied, R32 get 84% accuracy in area 64 get the 92% accuracy. In the conclusion, LPP has the extraction of the texture feature that can be used to organize the texture and pattern of the image. Papaya leaf have a characteristic in texture and shape, especially on the leaf board. By using LPP feature and knife-based classification, it was proven successfully classifying papaya species based on leaf image with very high accuracy, that is 96% accuracy. The process of taking picture that are minimal noise from 70, 75, 80 until 123 accuracy LPP, only accuracy LPP plus adjustment. Adjustment using 33, 64, 128. Preprocessing also has an important role that to improve classification accuracy. This is our reference. Thank you very much and good day.